Today we're going to be making aromatherapy package ornaments that you could also use for a tree ornament, but they work great on packages and with a simple salt dough. So I have 2 cups of flour. We're going to add a half a cup of salt and then 3/4 of a cup of water. I'm not going to add the whole thing. We'll see if we need it. You can always add more. It's hard to take it away. We want to make a nice dough that we can roll out. So we got a nice firm dough. Don't be afraid to use your hands to mix it. You can add colors if you like, but they don't need colors. Then we are going to roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch thick. So we're going to roll our dough out to 1/4 of an inch thick. We're going to take a cookie cutter. I like the ones with the designs printed in them because it'll transfer over. Dip it in some flour so it will come off a little easier. This might still be a little too thick. And you've got a lovely tag for an ornament. I'll put it on a baking sheet. And we'll make another one. Oops, let's You can use these. I've got cookie cutters for just about every season of the year. These are actually a lot easier to get out. So the duckies would be great for a baby shower gift. Put some lavender oil on it afterwards as you give it to, or send a bottle of lavender oil with it. Flowers for spring or girl's present. You've got fall leaves. Forgot to flour this one. Easter eggs for an Easter basket. So once they've had this as a decoration for their package, you can hang it on a closet. You can hang it from a mirror in your car. Any place you want a little extra scent. Hang it from a hook in the bathroom. And in order to attach it to your package, you need a hole of some kind. So use a straw. You don't want to get too close to the edge. You can also use a toothpick. And then we're going to bake at 325 for about an hour until they're hard. So our little gift tags are all done. They're baked. They baked for an hour. They are hard, a little brown on the bottom, but that's okay. You can paint them and decorate them. This is glitter paint on there. This is done with Sharpie marker, glitter paint, or you can leave them plain. You can be as creative as you like. I think simple is just fine. Attach it to a tag. If you do decorate them, you want to make sure that you leave the back plain so you can add a drop of essential oil to this. I think one of the nicer ways to do it is to attach this to the gift and then have a little bag with a small sample size or a small bottle of essential oil with instructions to add a scent. So if this were for a baby gift, I would attach that, and I would probably put some lavender on here and say, add a drop of lavender to the back of the duck and put it by the baby's crib to help support a restful sleep. Christmas, you could add any of the pine or wood oils, cypress, black fir, black spruce, cedar wood, and say, add a drop of the essential oil to the back of the tree and hang it as an ornament and enjoy this fresh fragrance as it fills your house. Yeah. Be creative. You can just use them as ornaments on a tree. You can use them as, put them in your gift basket for Easter, or a springtime basket, or you could write their name on it. Use it as placemats or place markers. So many different things you can do with these. I love the fact that you can add essential oils to the back of them also. But any type of gift, these are wonderful. And I'm really liking the idea of writing their name on it. So put a name on it, attach it to them, and they've got a personalized little ornament, room freshener, however you want to use them. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We'll be making more videos on different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.